In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make essential changes to your Shopify store, particularly focusing on editing the default theme content related to shipping settings. Whether you're a seasoned online seller or someone just setting up their digital storefront, this walkthrough is designed to be both informative and easy to follow. First, let's begin by heading over to the home page of your Shopify account. Once you're on your Shopify admin page, you'll want to look for the online store option. This is the central hub where you'll manage all visual aspects of your storefront. So go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the online store section, direct your gaze over to the top right corner where you'll notice the More Options menu. Clicking on this will unveil a few additional choices for customizing your store. Now, we want to focus on the Edit Default Theme content, so go ahead and select that option. Here, you'll have the flexibility to adjust various visual and textual elements that your customers will see. For the purpose of today's guide, we'll specifically be looking at editing the language and settings related to shipping. Next, in the page you've arrived at, look out for the search button, usually displayed as a magnifying glass icon. Clicking this button opens a search bar, which is incredibly useful for locating specific bits of text within your store's theme. In the search bar, type in free shipping. This will narrow down your focus to any text that's related to free shipping settings. Continuing your navigation, you'll want to click on Checkout and System when it appears in the search results. This section houses all the key settings related to how customers will interact with your checkout process, including any promotional wording like free shipping discounts. After selecting Checkout and System, your next task is to find and click on the Free Shipping Discount label. This is where you'll be able to modify any text associated directly with free shipping discounts that are displayed to your customers. Finally, navigate to the Checkout Shipping Subscription Delivery Description, Free Shipping Cycles. This may sound like a mouthful, but it's essentially where you're able to manage how different shipping options are communicated. After making the necessary adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button located usually towards the right-hand upper corner of the interface and click on it. This ensures that all your changes are successfully applied to your store. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your Shopify store's theme content, specifically honing in on shipping settings. Remember, making these adjustments can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience by providing clarity and emphasizing any value propositions you offer, such as free shipping. Thanks for following along today, and happy selling!